Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make book summaries with AI. First, understand that artificial intelligence tools are designed to process vast amounts of text rapidly. They can pinpoint the most crucial elements, such as main characters, central themes, and significant plot developments, condensing them into a concise overview. This capability allows you to quickly grasp the essence of a book, saving you valuable time and enhancing your comprehension of complex material. When selecting an AI summarization tool, consider its ability to process lengthy documents and various file types, like PDFs or ebooks. Some advanced platforms offer features such as adjustable summary length, allowing you to specify a summary of, say, 200 words or the extraction of key phrases. Many providers offer a free trial period, typically for 7 to 14 days, or different subscription tiers to suit your specific needs and usage frequency. To begin, simply upload your book's text directly to the AI tool or provide a web link if the content is online. Next, you will typically be prompted to specify the desired length of your summary. You might request a brief overview of 50 words or a more detailed summary of 300 words. After the AI generates the summary, it is crucial to review it carefully, making any necessary adjustments to ensure accuracy and clarity before final use. To get the most out of your AI-generated book summaries, use them strategically. They are excellent for gaining a rapid overview of a book's content or as a study aid to reinforce key concepts. For a more robust understanding, consider generating summaries from 2 or 3 different AI tools and comparing their outputs. Always remember to cross-reference any critical details with the original text to ensure complete accuracy and avoid misinterpretations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.